Hi, I'm Remi Maggio, the Nissan Insider, and I'm here to show you some of the amazing features of the all-new 2019 Nissan Altima. Altima's new Vmotion Grille and striking headlight design really catch your eye. In light colors like white, you'll notice how the blacked-out trim frames the grille, connecting it to the headlights. The taillights initiate the deep, wide character line that starts at the fender and goes all the way forward. You'll notice the roof appears to float, where it connects with the rear and side windows. The sharp, newly available 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels feature a unique blacked-out bezel that blends into the tires, creating a distinctive spinning blade look. The interior is laid out in 3 intuitive layers. The visual layer includes the new 8-inch touchscreen. The control layer places all the tech you want within arm's reach. Comfort features are all activated from one centrally located spot. Steering wheel controls have been simplified and are more intuitive. And when controls are hard to see, like the headlights or wipers, you can check your settings in the driver's display. The holding layer keeps you comfortable with new, deeply bolstered front seats, perfect for enjoying those corners. And with a zero-gravity-inspired design, they can help you reduce driver fatigue on long trips. Intelligent climate control means you'll never get into a freezing or extremely hot car again. It works with the remote engine start system to heat or cool the interior. On cold days, it can heat your mirrors and windshield. It can even activate your heated seats and heated steering wheel. On hot days, it turns on the AC to cool down the interior, all automatically. Connect directly to your Altima with your compatible smartphone. And you can keep your phone snug and nearby while charging it faster than ever with the new USB-C port or with the USB-A port. You have both. No envy here. Available rear USB ports keep your passengers happy. Altima has plenty of space for your life. The trunk is huge. All of this luggage easily fits inside. And with the rear seats folded down, you've got plenty of room for a bike. A neat little feature all to its own, Easy Fill Tire Alert helps you out when you need to add air to a tire. It automatically lets you know when you've achieved the correct PSI with a quick chirp of the horn. Altima moves forward with Nissan Intelligent Mobility, a suite of available driver assistance features that gives you greater confidence and awareness. The available intelligent around view monitor gives you 2 views of your Altima when parking, including a virtual composite bird's eye 360-degree view so you can get that tough parking spot. It can even let you know when it detects motion around your vehicle. And a cool new feature this year is rear automatic braking. This system can alert you and help you avoid backing into a stationary object by automatically applying the brakes. Make highway driving more enjoyable with available Pro Pilot Assist. It lets you set your desired speed and distance to the car ahead of you and helps keep you centered in your lane. When traffic is stop and go, Pro Pilot Assist can slow down and speed up accordingly. You'll come to a complete stop and get moving again when traffic does. But no matter how much tech we put into the Altima, we'll always keep you in the driver's seat. Weather on the horizon? Show me what you've got. Intelligent all-wheel drive makes Altima the capable, sporty sedan you've been looking for. Great for snowier regions, Altima marks the first time Nissan has offered all-wheel drive on one of its North American sedans. Those are just some of the great features of the all-new 2019 Nissan Altima.